will not have our the subjects
Yes,
which are
yes,
there.
yes. So what means first thing is in maths I have given assignment. I don't know how many of you have done it. So others please submit in our Google group, means Google Classroom, and by that time I'll be checking, and either this Friday in the math class, or we'll schedule another class definitely. Okay. Together we can clear the doubt. Basic thing is first you all do it, then we can have the class. Hmm.
Yes, sir, but I have not installed the Google, means I have installed first.
Hmm.
So I have installed first the Google Classroom, but then I have deleted it because the phone was getting hanged because there are many apps. Means our
Hmm.
school is not having the classes from Zoom; it is having from Google Meet, and this class is having from Zoom. So after installing that Google Classroom, and many groups are also there
Okay,
in
okay,
WhatsApp, so the phone is was getting hanged. So I
okay.
deleted.
So
So can
what?
I send you in a personal
Yes,
WhatsApp?
yes. Anyone having problem? What you do from our group, you'll get my WhatsApp number. Either you can send, better to send me personally instead of sending the group. That you all can do. Those are having any problem in sending the classroom. Classroom is like what? Google Classroom is like a official platform where all the records of our assignments and tests will be there. And if someone is having genuine problem, you can send me personally WhatsApp. No problem. ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्या क्लास है आज? केमिस्ट्री. What you all had in bio?
Sir, we have cells chapter on today, sir.
Cell.
Yes, sir.
Cell chapter is finished.
Yes, sir. On at today, our cells chapter is finished.
So see, good, very good. So okay, now you all can put off your video and let my video be on, and we'll start our chemistry class. So see, in biology, so why the cell chapter is taken at first? Because everything start from molecular level. That's why one of the purpose of taking that chapter, it is like foundation chapter. So similarly, it is related to living being, and in non-living being also start our chemistry with like from the atomic level only. So we'll start with this chapter, atomic structure. And okay, and then it is like one of the foundation and very important chapter for our chemistry. Chapter is at the same time simple and at the same time interesting also, but a lot of thing you will be learning in this chapter.
Sir?
Yeah.
So what is the name of the chapter?
Sir? Hello, sir.
Yes, tell.
Sir, atom is based on which, sir?
Just a second. First, let me write someone asked name on the chapter. Yeah, tell what you're asking, Karthik. Tell. You ask something, na? Please tell. You all are there or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, atomic structure is from ICSE book.
Yeah, this is from ICSE book. If you all want the chapter, I can send you.
Yes, sir. You can, if you send
Okay.
it, then it would be good.
Okay, so what I'll do whenever whatever chapter I take, I'll be sending it because some are from ICSE, some are from CBSE. So one of the purpose for taking this chapter is actually this is one of the actually very foundation chapter, and so after going through the chapter, two important thing you will be learning now, and it will be throughout your science life. Concept of those two things. So one of them is valency and other one is so this valency will study in detail in this chapter, and chemical bonding very just will touch it little bit because more detail you'll learn in higher class. But these two concept has lot of application in our chemistry. Throughout your chemistry, it will be there, and very crucial topic to understand actually basically. Especially when it comes to chemistry, focus on understanding. If you go on learning, pagal ho jayenge. There are means as you go ahead, especially 11, 12, subject become very vast. Means there will be unlimited chemical equation formulas. So if you go through understanding, and our sir is there who takes for higher classes, he teaches so nicely actually. So any not only I have said before also, science means understanding. Definitely something you have to learn. Like in this chapter, some valences we have to learn and practice. So then things will become more clear and easy. But these two concept is very tends to infinity important. Okay. So just a second. So now see means basically how this concept of atom is coming. We'll try to discuss. So why this atomic concept? How our scientist or our chemist, so they came to this concept of atom, or why this atomic level study is required. Like while studying the cell, you have at least after completion of cell, some glimpse or some idea you have that why cell is required. Like all the activity which goes in the body, it also same time goes in the cellular level. In the same time, when it comes to non-living thing, all the activity starts at molecular level. So we may understand it or don't understand it, that is different thing, but that is actually a fact. That's what will come to the conclusion after this especially introduction part. So what is the universe? So our universe basically it is made up of two things. One is matter and another is energy. So the matter is what actually it is the gross part. So in physics, when we'll study universe, we'll means we'll get to know it more detail. So see, I have said in some previous class that physics, chemistry, maths, and to quite extent biology, they are very much interrelated. Especially when we will be in 11, 12, we'll release this or we'll enjoy this if you are really into study. So see, this universe totally actually a physics thing, but we are studying chemistry basic chapter with universe. So it is having some reason. So universe is basically two things. One is matter, that is the gross thing which we can feel, which we can observe, which we can see everything beside. Anything like this, my mobile is my I am myself also gross, correct? Na? Earth, water, fire, air, ether is there. That is the feeling. This made up of some matter and some electronic thing is there. So the matter, like for example, let us say this digital pen only. So it is some ultra or high quality plastic matter, or that is having some mass and it is occupying space also. And what is the energy in this? See, energy doesn't occupy space. We can only understand its existence. So energy in this is this electrical part. Electricity is there, or it is working through electricity, and some digital application is there, or some microchips is there. I also don't know how it is there, but that basic thing that is there, that we also understand. So almost everything, whatever you see, there is matter and energy, either of them or both of them. Hmm. And now when we take any particular matter, it has element, compound and mixture. So element means one kind of thing, like just take this only, this is plastic, let us, or take more simple thing, paper, basically, which is just made of one kind of thing. Or yeah, take this only, plastic bottle. Let us say as of now, we are not in that higher class, because plastic also made of many things, but let us say that only one thing, that is plastic. And now see, this is plastic. Inside this there is water, okay, in this bottle. So plastic and water, two things comes, and both are having some fixed proportion. So that time it will be called as compound. So element, single thing, when two element combine, it gives us element to compound. And mixture is also mixture, basic English, that mixture of things. But only thing is that its ratio is not fixed. In case of compound, ratio is fixed, like water. When it goes to water, water formula is H2O. Okay. H2O. See, H2O, you take water from any source, either this my water bottle or your water bottle or river, lake. Water formula always will be H2. It will not change. So two atoms of hydrogen, one atoms of oxygen. So that's why it is called as compound. But in mixture, this is not fixed. Like now rainy season is going on. So there is like what else? In outside there is this kitchad, what we say in Hindi. So it has various kinds of thing. Water is there, sand is there, some dirt is there. So those are not fixed. Correct? Na? So like that. That's why. And either you take element or compound or mixture, they are ultimately made up of atom. So here comes our chupa rustam, or the fundamental thing, that is our atom. Now, like then anyway, we came to know that there is atom, and after that, like even before, we all know that because we all have studied also that Dalton atomic theory. That's what is the where our atomic study starts. But if you go to more back in our, like there is one Kanad, he's actually was a rishi. He was a yogi, a maharshi. So he has also said that mm, any particle you take, like either this pen or this water bottle, this mobile or this mobile cover, all are made up of paramanu. That is a Sanskrit term. Paramanu means basically atom, which later the Greek and or Western scientists or philosophers, actually previous days these were called as philosophers or researchers. Democritus, Lycurgus, they said that they actually coined the term atom. That atom is basically small particle which we cannot see with our naked eyes. So anything is made up of atom. Like in biology, cell is the building block. In the same way, when it comes to matter, building block is basically atom. Now, John Dalton actually discovered atom. Basically, he was studied on atom, because before him also study was there, but he gave a actually more broad concept of atom.
Sir,
Just a second. Yeah, tell.
so can you once show the last slide?
Yeah, I'll go to last slide only. I myself want to go. Yes, so this is the Dalton atomic theory. Okay. So he gave actually the atomic theory. So what are the theories he gave? So he said that atom is the smallest particle of an element. Understand it. So we have seen that element, compound, mixture before, and that element like that matter we have studied, na? Or universe. From there we started. So if you go from big to small, universe was there, then matter was there, and then energy was there, and then element, compound, mixture, and then element to atom. So he said that atom is the smallest part of it. And he said that atoms are indivisible. These are Dalton atomic theory. An atom can neither be created nor destroyed. Atoms of same element have same weight. Any particular element, they will have basically same weight. Now, two things. Element to compound means, just now I said that elements, atoms of same element, they will combine to form compound. Also, atoms of different element also can combine to form compound, like H2O, water. It is of different element, correct? And when it was hydrogen, just see what is the formula of hydrogen, H2. So hydrogen is actually, hydrogen is H2. So how it has been formed? H plus H, correct. So two atoms of hydrogen, they have combined to give us H2, because single atom, they are unstable and they have combined. So it is like elements, atoms of same element. But when it comes to like water, H2O, this is one element, this is another element. Element is basically same thing. Same atom. Elements come from same atom. So here they are combined and giving us H2. Okay. And last is, they take part in chemical reaction, like water will react with some other compound, or some elements will also combine to involve in chemical reaction. So we'll see just that almost all the postulates of Dalton atomic theory, they were rejected because atom is not the smallest particle. Atom is not the smallest particle. We'll get to know that atom is divided into primarily three subatomic particles. Those are, we all know this, correct? Electron, then proton. See, we all know electron, proton, neutron. So these are the primary subatomic particles. But to my knowledge, as of now, 35 subatomic particles are there. I don't know the names, but this at least I know. So basically, nature of this world is that always there is some changes going on and some research is going on. So not that the scientists have stopped here. हाँ भाई हो गया 3 छोड़ देते हैं. हाँ, not think that आगे कुछ करने का नहीं है. If we wish, if we desire, we can do lot of healthy contribution to the society, to the world as a large. So the scientists have researched and they have found that till now 35 subatomic particles has been found. Maybe that in future some of you will be discovering some other subatomic particle. So what he has said atom is individual, it is wrong actually. So atom is divided into electron, proton, neutron. Atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. No, because from atom we are getting electron, proton, neutron, and another reason neither created nor not destroyed. Meaning is that atoms may not take part in basically they are basically divided into electron, proton, neutron. Next is atoms of same element of same weight, basically water. So basic weight of one molecule of H2O or one just one H2O will be same from any source. That's what same element. And again, element of compound just now discussed. This take part in chemical reaction. This what. Okay, you all are back. Please wait, huh? मेरे एक बार होल्ड करो फिर से नेट कनेक्ट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था. ये रूम में नेट का शायद प्रॉब्लम है. मैं कुछ भी यूज नहीं किया, बोल रहा है कि काफी नेट चला गया है. नहीं हुआ अभी तक. You all are able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this much you have take part in chemical reaction. So now let us go ahead. I think this maybe some problem here in net. That's why I've switched off my video. Okay, now come to discovery of electron. So basically one thing before going to discover electron, one thing I would like to say. See. See here, let us say this is the atom. Okay, this is the atom. Now see, atom is always neutral. तो न्यूट्रल मीन्स ऐसा नहीं कि इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, शांत बैठा है, बट मीनिंग इज दैट inside atom there is positive charge also and there is negative charge also, but they balance each other. That's why atom is neutral. So you take anything, when you will study electricity, so in electricity you will study in that electric current flows from positive to negative terminal. So what happens actually, there is actually arrangement of this positive and negative charges when we will study there. So similarly, in any atom there is not one, there are many actually positive and negative charges.